Brian back here with a look at Singularity Net. All right, we talked about this token the other day. We did a video. We got this breakout. All right, now we're having a pullback here. All right, if you get my trading videos, I always tell you do not buy big green candles. All right, on the daily, you can see that big green candle right there. All right, them trading videos are $14.99 right now. There's 15 videos in there. You sign up for level 3 membership and you have access to them. That's really cheap, guys. It's less than $1 a video. There's over 6 hours worth of content there. Go check it out. You can learn to do all this stuff if you're interested in learning how to read charts. Patterns, everything. Everything is in there. Go check it out. All right, let's move on with this. All right, we're gonna take a look at this here, see what's going on here, and get right back to this. First off, I want to show you over on CoinMarketCap, the volume is up 44%. All right, what that is, quite honestly, I believe that's buyers stepping in here. 25 million in volume. Look at this market cap. It's only $230 million. Singularity Net, one of the biggest artificial intelligence coins out there. All right, this thing had an all-time high of $1.86, I believe, $1.86. That's a 10x from here just to get back to the all-time high. All right, so boy, wish I would have got in right there when this thing launched. 0.007. It's up about a 24x from launch, where it's at right now. So pretty impressive, no doubt about it. But the volume is up. There's 43.88%. I'm going to show you why on this chart. Okay, you can see that breakout. I always say, I teach this in them courses. The coins will always do this. All right, you get the breakout, then you get a retest of this area as support. It was resistance before, and then you get the bounce. Okay, so we're going to look at the RSIs here and take a look at this thing. Let's open this chart up a little bit. There we go. All right, you can see that breakout retest, and you can see it's starting to move off of there. All right, the 12 hour. You can see this really good in the 1 hour chart. All right, let's take a look here. Jeez, how would you like to be them people that sold right there, right before the breakout? And what is that? Is that 2 million? I'm trying to get 98,000. What is that? Is that 2 million? Wait, there it is. 47,000. 47,000. That's not right though. There it is. 2 million. Somebody sold 2 million right here at 18 cents. Then it popped, up to about 20 cents. 18 million coins. How much? Or 2 million? Can you imagine just that 1 penny and 2 million coins? It's a pretty decent loss there. All right, you can see on the hourly here, you can see buyers stepping in here. Green. Then that's the retest here. You see how it retested this area, these wicks. All right, now let's look at the RSIs. You got your 1 hour at the bottom heading up. You got your 4 hour just about reset here. Okay, it's about ready to take off. You got your 8 hour starting to curve back up. See that curve and that purple line right there? The thing's starting to head back up. The 12 hour, same thing. You'll see this starting to curve back up. The daily, this thing, it's right at the top right now. It's bearish at an 81 and an 87, and that's because of this pullback. All right, I'm expecting a bounce from here. The weekly is heading up. Now, if we measure this thing out, if this thing goes up in 5 waves, all right, and this is wave 1 and wave 2, all right, let's put a trend-based fib on this thing and see what this would be projecting as far as a price. This is not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor at all. All right, anything can happen in these markets. They're very volatile. If Bitcoin starts tanking, everything is going to tank. Okay, as long as Bitcoin stays stable, or is going up in the green, then these things tend to work out. Okay, so let's see. If this goes up 5 waves, Elliott waves, this is given a target up at about 28 cents. All right, now if wave 3 is coming up if that's what's going on. Wave 3 is normally your biggest wave. Okay, you'd have 1, 2, 3. A fourth wave pullback can be pretty deep, pretty deep. Okay, a fourth wave, you know, it's hard to say where to go, and then a fifth wave up. So we'll see what happens with this thing. Right now, that's what it looks like it's doing to me. It looks like that's a wave 1. All right, a retest of a breakout, and wave 3 should be a pretty explosive move here if that's what's going on. All right, nothing's guaranteed, but usually these things work, especially on a breakout of resistance. The weekly RSI at the very bottom. Okay, you can see that back here, and positive. It's heading up. It hasn't been this high since way back here in April. Okay, you can see right. Let me put a trend line across that so you can see that. And turn that color. There we go. You see what I'm talking about? That blue line right here has not been that high since way back here in April. Okay, that's the weekly. You can say, oh, the weekly was at the bottom through here too, but it rolled over. And, okay, now the weekly's heading up. All right, so looks positive to me. I think this is just a retest. You're going to see people panic as soon as there's a pullback. That's how these markets work. You know, right when you sell. Right when you sell, and boom, they take off. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. We'll be looking back on this thing in a couple days, but if this is a 5-wave up, this wave 3 should be explosive, and it should be the biggest wave out of the 5. All right, so, all right, guys, thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon.